Hi, this is ZTE Blade A73 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that, just tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your Google account and tap to remove. Confirm your action, tap to OK. Use pattern or PIN code if you use some protect methods on your device, and now we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.